Python programming language. Class properties. Learn to encapsulate and protect data with Python properties. Python class properties help in encapsulating data, providing a controlled way to access and modify class attributes. This ensures that data is protected and managed effectively within the class structure. Getter methods in Python allow for controlled access to class properties. They provide a safe way to retrieve values without directly manipulating the attributes, maintaining data integrity. Setter methods enable controlled modification of class properties. They allow for input validation and ensure that any changes to the properties maintain the class's internal consistency. Deleter methods provide a way to remove property values safely, managing resources and controlling the lifecycle of class attributes effectively. Property decorators in Python offer a clean and readable way to define getters, setters, and deleters. They simplify the code structure and enhance the readability of class definitions. Thank you for your time. You can find the content, examples, and our contacts in the video description. If you like this, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. We create video series for product, brand, and tech promotions. Feel free to reach out.